Liposuction is a way to remove areas of unwanted fat, and that's one of the best ways to do it. Now, one could exercise, lose weight. That's a much cheaper way to go, but there are times when you just can't get rid of those certain pockets, and that's what it's best used for, is removing certain areas of fat that you can't get rid of with diet and exercise. There are many tools we use to remove fat. There's no one tool that works better than another. So you'll hear terms like liposculpture, lipocontouring, vasor lipo, laser lipo. They're all tools to help get rid of fat. What it is not is a weight reduction technique. If you're wanting to lose dress sizes, pant sizes, that's not going to be accomplished. It might, but that's not the goal of this. The goal is to sculpt one so they look better in what they do wear. And in some cases, patients are too heavy and they're not candidates for this. Some patients are too skinny, and again, they're not candidate. The candidate is that person who has certain deposits of fat that they can't get rid of. It's done under general anesthesia. I like general anesthesia. It can be done under local, but I prefer to put the patient to sleep because the risk is so low, to allow them to have that procedure without any stress to them. After the surgery, they're wearing a compression garment. They wear that for anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks. I'll see you the next day, then in a week. But it's about 2 to 3 months before we see the final result, because there is swelling, there's firmness in the tissues that all has to be resolved before you see their final result. Liposuction is done through very small, strategically located incisions. Incisions are about that big in length. We hide them the best we can. Through those incisions, we inject the fatty areas that we want to remove with we call it tumescent fluid. It's a fluid to help get rid of the fat and help with anesthesia. That allows the fat to be removed. We sew up the holes. We put a compression garment around them to help minimize the swelling.